This video will show you how to replace an engine air filter on a Subaru Outback. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Along the top of the air filter housing, you're going to find you have two locking clips. Go ahead and dislodge those. You should be able to start separating the housing from there. Once you have it pulled apart, we're going to gently lift up on the rearward section of the housing. We don't need to lift it up too far, we're just dislodging it. Now we can start removing that air filter. For the air filter, just take hold of it and lift it up and out of place. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new parts, just clean and inspect the mounting area. In this instance, we want to confirm there's no miscellaneous debris along the bottom. Now we can install our brand new engine air filter. We'll separate the air filter housing enough that we can slide this into place. Now as I'm sliding this down, I'm attempting to get it to align with everything here, and we're pressing it towards the forward air filter box. Now as far as the rearward portion, we're going to have to lift this up. Along the bottom of it, there's going to be locating tabs. Those tabs will fit into small grooves along the bottom of the forward housing. It's pretty hard to see under there, but generally if you just come in at an angle, press it in place, you should be able to press it down. Once it feels as though it's aligned, go ahead and latch it in. Now we'll just double check to make sure it's properly in place. We don't want any dirty air making its way into the engine. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.